Hi guys, today I would like to show you how to do the fingerprint on device run by Android 14. So at first open the settings, then open security and privacy and click on device unlock. Here just click on set screen lock and choose the option. As you can see, we cannot add a fingerprint here. However, let's activate some screen protection. For example, pattern, tap on next, re-enter the pattern, confirm. Then personalize the notification content. And that's it, that will be all. As you can see from now on, you will have to provide this pattern to unlock your device. So unfortunately, it doesn't have a fingerprint sensor. However, once your device, which has not Google, but Android 14, has this fingerprint, you will be able to activate it the same way, just not by providing the pattern, but entering your fingerprint. So thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.